Hi, Monarchs. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the end of your orientation. You're now going to get more instructions on how to register. So to begin, I'm going to give you a small rundown on the introductions, some tips and tricks, house rules, and then we'll be able to register. So introductions. Just quickly, I know you've heard about this already, but I wanted to remind you, if you're a biology and intended psychology student, you will be advised by me. If you're a biology and intended psychology student, last names F through L, you'll be advised by Keith Krepko. If your last name's M through S, you'll be advised by Carrie Music. And if your last names are T through Z, you'll be advised by Ronaldo Randall. If you're a chemistry and a biochemistry student, you'll be advised by Dr. Pinky McCoy. If you're a computer science, you'll be advised by Professor Janet Brownell. If you're mathematics and statistics, you'll be advised by Professor Strozak. If you're ocean, earth, and atmospheric sciences, you'll be advised by Dr. Burdage. And if you're a physics student, you'll be advised by Dr. Buhlman. Now, tips and tricks. We would like for you to be able to schedule and register for the classes that you are intended to enroll. So in order for us to be able to give you the correct courses, we would like it if you can send us your AP, IB, or dual enrollment credits so that we can officially schedule you with the best courses possible. If you have already sent that to ODU, but you see that it is not already updated, just send it to us so that we can update it. Please send us a copy of your unofficial transcripts as well to cosadvising@odu.edu. The faster you send this, the faster we'll be able to help you with your classes. I do want to also remind you that you will be already pre-registered for about 6 to 11 credits. These classes have been selected based on what you have previously sent us. That includes your test scores, incoming credits, or any important classes or exams that you've taken to receive credits. Please do not use Rate My Professor at this time. You'll have plenty of time later on in the summer to be able to go back and check your Rate My Professor as well as register for classes that you would like to switch. And before you leave, please make sure that you will have between 12 to 15 credits. And if you ever decide to drop a class between your registration date to the first day of classes, please make sure that you contact an advisor because we would like for you to always remain full-time. Other tips and tricks. When you're registering for classes, you're going to see different acronyms. If you see Web 2, that means that that course is an online course for students that are Norfolk campus students. You'll see Web 2, UG, and Hampton Roads. That means if you would like to take an online course, that's the acronym that you would choose to register for. If you would like to take a course in the Virginia Beach Center, which is about 30 minutes from campus, the acronym is VBCTR. If you'd like to take a class in the Portsmouth campus, that's about 15 to 20 minutes from main campus, and the acronyms are TCCPR. And if you'd like to take classes in the Peninsula Center, that's in Hampton, Virginia, and about 30 to 50 minutes, really depends on traffic. And the acronyms are PNCTR. If you have an appointment with financial aid after this, please make sure you set alarms on your phone or have someone contact you because we do not want you to miss that very important appointment. If you have any general questions regarding classes, how to get to building from building, or anything that's general, please make sure you contact your assigned MOL. They'll be able to help you with that. Now, house rules, and this is the last thing. You'll be able to register soon. After this, you'll be separated into breakout rooms, and it's going to be based on your major. So all of the biology students will be in one room, all of the psychology students will be in another room, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. You'll find it in the bottom of your Zoom link, and when you click on it, we'll be able to contact you and answer any of your questions. Last but not least, When you're completed with your registration session, you are free to go and enjoy the rest of your summer. So without further ado, we're going to start with the breakout rooms. If you have any questions, please make sure to write them on the chat box so that one of the advisors can contact you. Thank you.